In a forest where the trees whispered secrets and the flowers danced, lived Felix, a fox known for his kindness. Felix loved helping his friends. One day, he encountered Rosie, a lost rabbit who had strayed far from home. Default text. Hello there, little one. What brings you here? I lost my way home. I don't know how to get back. Don't worry, Rosie. I'll help you find your way back home. With kindness in his heart, Felix led Rosie through the winding paths of the forest. It's getting dark, Felix. I'm scared. Fear not, Rosie. We'll overcome this together. Under the shimmering moonlight, Felix and Rosie reached Rosie's burrow. And so, the kind-hearted fox, Felix, continued to spread kindness in the forest, making it a brighter place for everyone.